Hi guys, this is Sassy Shiv Says. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today's video is going to be all about first impressions and reviews about this beauty box by SkinQ. So this basically is a facial kit for you which you can do all by yourself at home, and I love the fact that they've given specific importance to our Indian skin types, which is so vast and it needs special attention. And it says right here that this kit has been clinically tested and has been approved and is dermatologist formulated. Now these active facials, this particular box for me, I think will work wonderfully, and that's the reason I got my hands on it, because it is specifically towards dehydrated, sensitive and aging skin. And if you know my skin type, if you've been following me for a while, I have a combination skin type, but most importantly my skin is super sensitive. So let's dive in and see what are the products all about. Okay, so in total, these are 5 products in here. This is their sheet mask, followed by a massage butter. Then they also have a pre-mask serum, skin exfoliator, and your micellar water. What I really loved about this beauty box facial kit at home is that each and every product that you see has been labeled. So they have numbered it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all you have to do is just follow the number in that particular order and you know which one to reach out to first. So here, for example, the micellar water says number first. That means you have to start by applying this. And like any other micellar water, you have to use this in the similar manner too. I like to use this solution on a cotton pad and just swipe it and wipe my face clean with it. I love the fact that it has taken care of my oily patches, especially my T-zone, and it soothes the skin apart from cleansing it. You can also use it as a makeup remover, and it is very gentle on the skin since it says here it contains aloe vera and glycerine, and this too has been dermatologist formulated like the other products. I must mention one thing about SkinQ. I read up on their website that all of the products contain naturally derived active ingredients, and that's why the products work deep into the skin and you get instant results. So the next step is exfoliation, which is extremely important to get nourished and soft and clean skin. So it says here all you have to do is massage gently on your face. I like to wet my face first and then massage it, and then you can leave it on for 7 to 10 minutes and then wash with water. It's very gentle on the skin. This contains glycerine, and as you know, my skin is super sensitive, so a little bit of exfoliation causes redness, but in this case I didn't have any amount of redness, which was a plus point. So step number 3 is using the massage butter. Now this is again ideal for dehydrated, sensitive and aging skin, and this product contains shea butter and mango butter. That means your skin is going to be really nourished and soothed and moisturized. All you have to do is dot your face and neck with a little bit of amount that you usually do for moisturization, and then you have to massage your face and neck in circular motion and upwards when it comes to your neck, and then just let it be. You don't need to wipe off this product. Let it be absorbed in your skin completely. Step number 4 for your SkinQ facial kit at home is all about using the pre-mask serum, which means you'll apply the serum before you use the sheet mask. So this is known to repair, protect and hydrate your skin, which is extremely an important step. It contains hyaluronic acid, soy extract and retinol. So all you'll do is take a little bit of pea-sized amount in your hand and massage on your face and neck. Make sure that it's absolutely nicely absorbed into your skin. And it says here you can leave it on for 10 minutes, post which you can apply the sheet mask on top of the pre-mask serum. And step number 5, like you already know, is the last step, which is applying SkinQ's sheet mask, and this is known to repair, defend and nourish your skin. Now this contains turmeric, amla and soybean extracts, which are so beneficial for your skin. Turmeric, as you know, is anti-inflammatory. This has also glow properties, so I'm excited to use this one, and this also has anti-aging benefits. So let's use this and see how our skin glows. Size is so perfect. You can travel with it. It'll go right into your travel bag or small purse. And like the other products, this also has nature-derived active ingredients. So this is like your ideal go-to and a quick fix for your nourished, hydrated and glowing skin. Okay, so before I go, I have to talk about SkinQ's Sun Protect Gel, and oh my god, if you are used to wearing makeup and if you don't want any residue of your other sunscreen gels or sunscreen creams, then you should definitely check them out. I've used this product for the longest time now. minimum 3 to 4 months. In fact, this is my second purchase. This is so lightweight. It has SPF 40 PA plus 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 plus, and it is packed with vitamin C. It's non-comedogenic, which means your pores are not going to get clogged. It is silicone free and it is paraben free. Again, it's dermat tested and approved, and I feel like even if you're going to wear like layers of makeup, this should be your first step to moisturize your skin and pack all the best skin ingredients so that your skin stays hydrated and also is protected from sun. Also, one small tip against the popular notion of sunscreen to sirf hum bahar jate hain tab lagana hai, that's absolutely wrong. You need to be wearing sunscreen whether you are indoors or whether you're going to step out. Using sunscreen should be a part of your everyday skincare routine. For me, it's more of a morning and evening ritual. I have to do it twice a day, and this baby right here is amazing. It is so lightweight and it will not leave any white film or white patchiness on your skin. I highly recommend this one. So guys, that was it from me for today. If you want such amazing reviews, videos and first impressions, then make sure you keep coming back right here on my channel, Sassy Shiv Says. Until then, keep it sassy, guys.